So, hello?
What? I'm Shanmugha. Who is that? Oh, today I'm busy. I will come tomorrow.
I want to live my life and I want to enjoy my life. I want to live alone. I lost my father the money. I don't listen my parents' words. Father, I want the share of property that belongs to me. What happened to my son? Are you serious, my brother? Yes, I am serious.
Why do you want my son? You should not ask like that. We are giving everything to you. Do you have any problem with this?
Yes, I can't stay with you. I want to enjoy my life. Our parents are taking care of us. They are providing everything for us. Why do you have to take this decision? Because I can't live with you. I want to enjoy my life.
Don't you have respect on elders? You should not say bad answers to parents. You should obey parents, teachers, and elders.
As I miss myself, servants give you money. Hello friend, where are you?
Here I am. Where you got me?
I brought money from my father. This money is for us. We can go anywhere. We can buy anything.
You can enjoy this so much. Let us have fun.